Step 1. Place the wick over the solder to be removed, and then place the hot soldering iron over the braid. Step 2. Place the tip at an angle that maximizes heat transfer through the braid to the solder. Use a clean tip that you have just tinned with fresh solder to maximize heat transfer. Heat will be moving up the copper, so be careful not to burn yourself. Step 3. Apply slight pressure and wait for the solder to melt. Don't get in too big of a hurry at this point. Allow the tip to dwell long enough on the wick to heat the wick and then the solder on the other side. You will see the wick begin to absorb the solder. Hold the tip and wick in place until the wicking action has stopped. Soder-Wick brand is the fastest wick available for this process. Step 4. Remove the wick and the braid at the same time. Removing the iron before removing the wick can cause the wick to become soldered to the board. If that does happen, reheat the braid so that you can remove it.